In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a custom blue sky feed. And for this video, we are going to use Sky Feed. So if you don't know this one, you just need to open any browser that you are currently using. And in the search bar, type in Sky Feed and just need to select or to click onto the first result that you have in there. So just simply click onto that. And if you're curious about the website or the specific link for the website, it is at skyfeed.app. And this is what the page should look like. So then once you are in here, just need to type in your username or email address. I'm just going to type in a sample username that I can use for mine. And then for the password, this is not the same password that you are using for your Blue Sky. So then what you need to do is to go back to Blue Sky, go to the settings, and then once you're in here, go to privacy and security and select app password. It should be under the two-factor authentication. So again, just click onto that. And then what you need to do if you haven't set up a password yet, you just need to hit this add app password and you can name it however you'd like. But for mine, I'm just going to name it as Skyfeed and just like so. And you then need to check the allow access to your direct messages, hit next, and then you should have a password set up for you automatically. So I already have here mine, so I'm just going to simply click onto here. So I'm going to do this from the scratch. So again, I'm just going to add a password. Just going to name it again, Sky Feed, hit next, and then you'll have this password ready for you. So I'm just going to copy it, hit done, and then go back to Sky Feed and then paste the password in here and hit continue. So now after logging in, then this is what you should see on your screen. So you have here all of the sections that you can do here in Sky Feed. But for now, we are going to use this field builder option on the left side part of your screen. So we're going to start from scratch. So I'm just going to delete all of this content right here, and you'll be able to see the feed preview on this part. So now first just add your feed name. So I'm just going to name it as sample feed. So you can filter posts by hashtags, keywords, user accounts, or even specific topics when you want to customize your feed. So for instance, you want a feed for daily news, add keywords like breaking news, trending, or you can adjust other settings such as post types or preferred time frames. So for now, we are going to add a block and we're going to have a sort. So you can sort it by creation date, each and ranking like account or like count, repost count, and so on. But I'm going to stick with the creation date, and you can go for descending or ascending. And again, I'm just going to stick with ascending, and you can add block again and add input. So this is where the feed or your posts in feed will get the information from. So you can select entire network, tag, single user lists, feed, single post, and labels. So if you want to have or to add the post of a single user specifically here in Blue Sky, you can go for a single user and you can even select yourself if you want to. So once you click on to select yourself, then your user ID will be automatically be filled in under the user ID. So you can go for the post, reply post, or reposts. So I'm just going with post and replies. And you can go with counts or not, but I'm just going to stick with it. And then you can also add block or for this one, reg X, and then you can then type in your keyword in this part. I'm just going with cat as an example, and you can make it case sensitive or not. So there's that. Now, as you can see on my feed preview, I don't have anything on it yet since I've selected myself here in single user and I don't have any posts yet in my account. So as you can see, so I'm just going to change this one into the entire network. And for the red X, I'm just going to stick with cat. As you can see, all of the posts that are in my feed currently are posts that have this specific keyword. So now if you are satisfied with what you have, and by the way, you can add more filters if you want to. So you just need to combine multiple filters to fine tune your results. So I'm just going to name this also as cat feed. So to make it more recognizable when I publish this feed. So I have that now. And again, you can create or add more block if you want to, but I am already okay with what I have. So I'm just going to publish this feed. And for my descriptions, I'm just going to go with a random text right here. So I'm just going with a sample description. There you go. And then you can allow remixes if you want to. So I'm just going to stick with the default setting, hit publish, and then once you go back into your Blue Sky app, I'm just going to refresh this one. Just go to my feeds, and then I have here the cat feed that I have just created with Sky Feeds. So you just need to click onto that, and then there you go. You have the customized feed that you have created. So as simple as that. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.